Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by importing your clip and selecting it on the timeline so Capcut knows what to change. Once done, trim or split to target the exact segment. This prevents global changes to other clips. Make sure Effects is visible in the bottom toolbar, because the only way to create a true color inversion in Capcut is through the Effects panel. Tap Effects now. You want to apply a full-frame effect, not a manual color adjustment layer, so the app processes each pixel correctly. You should open Effects, then navigate to Basic or use Search to find Invert. This is the effect that flips RGB values automatically. Once you tap Invert, preview playback to verify the visual flip, you'll see highlights become dark and colors swap. If the effect covers the wrong range, drag its edges to match your clip duration. Make sure to adjust any available intensity or blend settings. These let you soften or fully apply the inversion without manual color curve work. To finish, play the full clip and export a short test to ensure the inverted look survives encoding. If colors shift unexpectedly, check for overlapping filters or blend modes, remove or disable other color adjustments, then reapply Invert. If the effect appears absent, tap the effect on the timeline and confirm its duration and opacity. Sometimes the effect is set to 0% opacity. Finally, if a device render bug occurs, restart Capcut and re-export. That fixes most display in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.